In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Well, introduce myself. My name is Namra Sarvar Bajwa. I am from BS Chemistry. I will dedicate to presentation of Dr. Hammad Majeed. I discuss chemistry of face powder in front of you. Have a look to the table of contents. Introduction, chemistry of face powder, types of face powder, key ingredients, toxic chemical in face powder, impact on human body, natural product of face powder, and the last one is conclusion. Introduction to this topic, face powder. Face powder is an indispensable, absolutely necessary article of a lady's cosmetic range. A face powder is basically a cosmetic product which has its prime function, the ability to complement skin color by imparting a velvet finish to it. Next, I explain the types of face powder. First heading depends on nature of skin. For dry skin, we use light powder with these characteristics. Light covering powder contain large quantity of talc. For normal or moderate oily skin, we use medium powder, which these characteristics comparatively high covering power, less talc, and follows by zinc oxide. For very oily skin, we use heavy powder, which these characteristics high covering power, lower quantity of talc, and higher quantity of zinc oxide. Next heading depends on texture. First, loose powder. Powder particles are finer and tend to set makeup better than pressed powder. Finally, mild texture means the powder is easier to play. Loose powder is applied with a brush or a puff. This makes it less portable and more difficult to apply on the go. Second, pressed powder. Pressed powder comes in cake form, providing better and long-lasting coverage. Pressed powder is applied with a dense puff or makeup sponge, simplifying application whenever needed. Third, translucent powder. Translucent powder is unpigmented sheet powder used mainly to control oily zone. Translucent powder can be pressed or loose powder. Fourth, tinted powder. Tinted powder is pigmented and is usually worn without foundation. Tinted powder can be pressed or loose powder. Next, I explain the key ingredients. Talc is a category of base or mineral which is naturally occurring mineral added in safe amount. Mica is a category of covering agent which it helps the powder to stay on the skin longer. Kaolin is category of slip absorbent which enhance covering while reducing the sheen provided by talc. Magnesium carbonate is a category of adhesive which improves the consistency of face powders, ensuring us a smooth application. Next, calcium carbonate is a category of absorbent which absorbs moisture to minimize oiliness and create a matte finish. Triclosan is a category of perfumes which enhance the instinct appeal. Inorganic and organic pigments is a category of colorant which add to the formula to create the design. Next, I explain the toxic chemical in face powder. Laboratory test. Shade control. The color of the powder is checked by spreading the powder out and flattened on a white background by applying the powder to the skin. The color of the pressed powder in the correct container is assessed. In each case, the sample being assessed is compared for shade to the standard. Next, I explain the impact on human body. Inhaling cosmetic talc can cause serious respiratory problems. Most reports involve a child or baby who accidentally inhaled or swallowed baby powder. But fish powder poisoning can also occur. Symptoms of fish powder poisoning include coughing, breathing trouble, eye irritation, and burning sensation in the throat. What's more, the powder is extremely fine, which causes it to absorb all the natural oil from your face. making difficult for your skin to breathe can cause acne and infections. The powder is extremely fine. It often settles in the pores of your skin, which leads to clogged pores and acne. Next, I explain the natural product of face powder. Vapor, first natural and organic USD certified organic formulas. Second, Ilia natural and organic, natural and safe synthetic ingredients. Third, well pupil. Fourth one, 100% pure. Fifth one, juice beauty. Seventh, Rum's beauty. Eighth, sauce. And the last one is Alima pure. And the last one I discussed conclusion. Many natural substances used in personal care products have toxic properties. Interdisciplinary compilation and analysis of regulatory instruments concerning natural substances reveal some inconsistencies which need further analysis and urgent correction to ensure prudent and handling in consumer products. I hope you liked my presentation. Thank you. If you have any question about the topic, then I will answer them.